The online large business is taking away your customers every day. Wake up and take action now. Join the online world through your zero-cost Save-A-You app. Let's get going! Download the Save-A-You app from the App Store or Google Play Store and launch it. For making your business app, sign in using your Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, or using your phone number. As a business owner, you need to tap Make Your Business App to start creating your app and confirm you are business owner in next pop-up. Now pick a category for your store and hit Create Business App. Fill in your store information by entering the name of your business, inside shop branding, business address and phone number, and select the best 5 item categories that you want to sell in your store. Items in these categories will be beautifully populated in your store with proper pictures, prices, and product details. Just tap Create Business App and you're done, even without having to buy and store the products up front. Close and reopen Save-A-You app to start using your app now. You can give your store to your customers through the share link on your store. Here is your store. You have 2 options to manage your store later: Edit Store and Change My Business App. Let's begin with Change My Business App. This will enable you to change your storefront and add item categories. Also, you can also add an owner or manager for the store from the registered users to enable them to view orders and edit your online store. Now let's see Edit Store. This will allow you to add, remove, or change your product detail as many times as you want. Click New to create a new item on the list. Enter the item information and click Save. Click Edit to edit any item. Once edited, click Save. The Remove button will delete the item. Click Make Deal to make a special sales offer for any item. Enter original price, discounted price, display line 1 and 2, then click Save. Your app was ready within 30 seconds, and giving it to customers took only a few seconds to send to all your friends and customers. Happy selling with Save-A-You, best local online shopping app.